In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view, filter, export, and print a profit and loss report. We'll walk through it calmly and clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. Start on your main dashboard, and if the page is a little busy, simply scroll down until you see the section for your financial tools. When you spot the accounting area, click on it. This opens the place where your key financial reports live. Next, click on Profit and Loss. This report summarizes your income and expenses over a specific period, helping you understand how your business is performing. Once the report opens, take a moment to scan what's on screen so you can get a feel for the layout. Now look for the More Action option. Click on More Action to reveal additional options related to this report. From here, you can export for Excel, which is perfect if you want to analyze the numbers further, build charts, or share the raw data with your team. You can also print, which is useful for meetings or filing hard copies. Exporting will typically download a spreadsheet file to your device, and printing will open your print dialog so you can choose your printer, page size, and orientation. Before you export or print, it's a good idea to make sure the report shows exactly the time period you care about. On the right side of the screen, click on Settings. This panel is where you can refine what the report displays. Inside Settings, click on Filters. Here you can choose date range. Pick a preset period like this month or last quarter, or set a custom start and end date to match the exact time frame you need. If you're investigating a trend or comparing periods, choose the date range that aligns with your analysis. When you've selected the date range that matters, just click on Apply. The report will refresh to reflect your filters. Give it a moment to update, and then verify that the totals and time period look correct. If the report seems too narrow or too broad, revisit filters and adjust the date range, then click Apply again. With the right dates in place, return to More Action. Now, when you export for Excel or print, the output will reflect your chosen filters, saving you the trouble of redoing the work later. That's all there is to it. Scroll down, click on Accounting, open Profit and Loss, use More Action to export or print, and fine-tune the results